morning student. My name is Anand Vishay. Today in this video lecture we are discuss about the some Excel new features that is important to perform the operation onto the Excel sheet. In the last three video lectures we have focused on to the how to use add the element through form, deleting the element and finding the element by using criteria option through the form. In this video lecture we have focused on to the sorting the data. At student, what is sorting? Sorting means arranging the data either in the ascending order or a descending order. You can arrange the data from 1 to 10 or a 10 to 1. This kind of process is ascending or descending order, whatever the alphabetic manner like a to Z or Z to A concept. Student, how can we use this step? So there is the steps of the sorting. We can how we can perform it. Open the worksheet in the selected cell range that you want to sort. There is the example, say B2 is the particular cell. Apply the B2 their sort button, Z2 or A to Z, whatever you have decide according to it, perform the sorting operation. Again you have to move the data. If you want to advance kind of sorting operation, then you move to the data tab. That is there is the sort option, and after clicking on that icon, particular icon, the sort dialog box will be appear. In sort dialog box you have select the name field and you have find out in the dialog box A to Z. That means the sorting process is going to the smallest to largest side. So this kind of operation is called sorting. We have to use in the practical scenario. I have already created the Excel sheet here. We have find out there are the already previous sheet that contains the result name of files. Here the all data have been included, roll, name, English, Hindi, math, and their values are put. Now we have performed the operation of the sorting related process. How it is possible? At first we click on the name section and first B2 option that contains the specific name Himal. Then we have click on to the home. After that we have moved to the simple sort operation. In sort operation we have clicked sort A to Z. That means it's arranged in the name list in ascending order. We have find out there the all the contents are arranging into the ascending order. The Hemant is come onto 8th position and the Ajay will come onto the first position. That is the alphabetic manner, and lastly the Sohani name is will display in the arranging order. Again we have performed the descending order. In that case again we select the Hemant here and click on the sort and filter option Z to A. It arranges the data in the descending order. In that case the Sohani name of Sohani is come onto the first order and the Ajay is going to the bottom last order. This is the process of sorting to arranging the data. It can be also performed through the data tab. In data tab there is the sort option. You have at first select anyone, like we have select the all the fields here. Okay, then we click on the sort option here. Okay, and here it is the name. We have performed the Z to A operation. Again we have click on OK. The name is already arranged or already arranged in the descending order. Again we try with the ascending order. Okay, we have changed it to the A to Z option. Again we click on that, the contents will be arranged onto the ascending order as well. So sorting is a very important process. You can do it in the practical manner. That's all for the today. Have a good day.